Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can download Glorious Model O software. I already made this video before, but this is an updated video. I will show you step by step on how you can do this. So first thing you need to do is just need to search for download Glorious Model O software. Okay, make sure you are downloading this from the official website. Make sure it says here Glorious Gaming, as you can see, and also Legacy Software. Now you just need to click on it, and in the next page what you need to do is you want to scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you find here Model O. Sorry, I'm going to close this. Model O, Model D wired. Now what you need to do is you want to click here and then download the Model O. As you can see, wired software. Just click on it. So the file will take a few seconds to download. Now it says here in the downloads icon here in the top right of your browser, click on it, and then you will find here the file. It's very small file. Click on show in folders here. It will take you here. Now what you need to do is right click on the folder. Okay, right click, and then what you need to do is you want to click on extract all. After that you want to click on extract. Now this will take a few seconds and this will pop up. Now first thing you need to do is you want to click on readme, and then you want to make sure you read all these instructions here. As you can see, Glorious Model O software. Before running Model O software, please install the firmware update first in the 01 firmware update folder. So you just need to do that. Very simple. I'll show you how can you do this. As you can see, just make sure you read all this in these instructions. Okay, so after you read all these instructions, first you want to click now on this software here, here, and then you can install it here. This is the software. Now this one is where you can update. As you can see, firmware update here. Just click on it, and this is where you need to click on Glorious Model O. And Model O, as you can see, means just click on it, and that's it. That's exactly how you can install it. Like I said, just click on readme file here just to have instructions and to understand everything. Okay, this is the software, by the way. Here you can click on it 2 times and then you will be able to install it. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, and see you in the next tutorial. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.